Dear student, today I will discuss about some important formula, force and energy. Now see, what do you mean by force? Force is rate of change of momentum, linear momentum, that is called force. F is equal to delta P by delta T. It is a vector quantity, change in momentum upon time. Now this is equal to mv minus mu upon t. This is equal to mv minus u upon t, and we get F is equal to m into a. V minus u upon t, that is a, acceleration, right? So force is equal to mass into acceleration, clear? And mass into acceleration. Now energy is concerned to tendency of doing work, right? Work क्या है? What is work? Work is equal to force into displacement. Force F dot S. It is a vector. F is vector, S is vector, but dot product, it is scalar quantity. Work done is a scalar quantity. It is equal to F dot S. This is equal to Fs cos theta. It is in the case of when force is acting in this direction, and this is a displacement yes in this direction. Angle between force and this is a force and displacement, it is theta. So work done is equal to Fs cos theta, right? Energy is equal to change in kinetic energy. We can calculate it half mv square minus u square. Okay, this one. So here momentum, linear momentum, P is equal to m into v. Unit of force is unit of force is Newton. Unit of force is Newton, right? Kilogram meter per second square. This is equal to kilogram meter per second square. Okay, and unit of energy is equal to joule, J.